Hey guys, do you love pesto and pasta, but you fancy giving it a bit of a twist? Then this video is for you. Or maybe you want something that will be delicious on a hot summer's day, then watch this video as well. That's because today's video, we're making pesto orzo. Pestorzo. See what we did there? It's a delicious summery salad. It's gonna be gorgeous. Now let's get into it. The first step is to toast some pine nuts. Pop some pine nuts into a dry saucepan on a medium heat and toast them until they're lightly golden brown. It smells wonderful, and that means they're ready to go in our pesto. Next step, let's get blending. Into our food processor, we add the pine nuts. 2 large bunches of basil, which we'll just rip to get those lovely leaves. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. The magic ingredient here, nooch, aka nutritional yeast, that will just work wonders to give this pesto that Parmesan feel, whilst also being vegan. 1 cheeky little clove of garlic, and then a 50-50 mix of light olive oil and extra virgin olive oil. Give that a good old blitz until it's coarsely ground, and add a touch more oil if you feel it needs it. Oh, wow. Tastes amazing. I think that needs a touch more salt and a bit more lemon. Wow, delicious. Next up, we'll cook our orzo. Add your orzo to a pan of boiling salted water and cook according to pack instructions. Meanwhile, take your asparagus spears and just break off the woody bottom ends. Pop those into a baking tray, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and drizzle with olive oil. Then they're going under the grill on full whack for about 6 minutes. 1 minute before the orzo is finished cooking, add some peas to the pan. Then we'll drain both the orzo and the peas and put them both back in the pan. Now it's time to add the pesto. Now this is a lot of pesto. It's probably about half that I want to add into the orzo. And just mix it all together, being careful not to break up those lovely little pieces of orzo. Whack your leftover pesto in a jar or a glass, pop that in the fridge, pop that in the freezer, keep it for a rainy day. This stuff is amazing. It smells absolutely incredible in here. Quick taste test. That is truly wonderful. Time to get that on a plate. Divide your peas and pestorzo between 4 serving bowls. Artfully place a few rocket leaves and quartered tomatoes on top, and then your perfectly grilled and seasoned asparagus. Sprinkle over a few more basil leaves, some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of nooch. And that is a pestorzo bowl to die for. Beautiful, summery, and absolutely delicious. This looks incredible. Let's see how it tastes. I'm very excited about this. Wow, just incredible. That is the perfect pesto flavor. It tastes wonderful, it looks gorgeous. I think you're gonna love it. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.